Today, we dive into the captivating world of sugarcane farming, where billions of tons of this vital crop are harvested each year to create one of the most widely used ingredients on Earth, sugar. In this video, you'll get an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how enormous sugarcane fields are harvested using cutting-edge technology. From powerful machines to impressive speed and precision, this is industrial agriculture like you've never seen before. Buckle up. The spotlight is on the whole stock sugarcane harvester, a high-powered, specialized machine designed not only to harvest but also to cut cane stalks into clean, even segments. With an output of 20 to 30 tons per hour, it's a true mechanical beast. At its front are counter-rotating steel blades that cleanly slice through cane stalks at ground level, fast and flawless. In some regions, before harvesting, farmers perform a practice known as pre-harvest burning. This involves burning dry leaves and the outer cane layers to make the harvesting process quicker and cleaner. It also helps reduce pests and makes the stalks more accessible for machinery or manual workers. Once harvesting is complete, tons of fresh-cut sugarcane are loaded onto massive transport trucks. These trucks head directly to processing plants, where powerful cranes and industrial conveyor systems take over. Automated cranes are built to lift multi-ton bundles of sugarcane off the trucks efficiently. The cane is then sent into huge industrial crushers where the real sugar extraction begins. These machines feature massive steel rollers that apply intense pressure to crush the thick, fibrous stalks. After smashing and shredding, the cane moves into powerful roller presses. Juice extraction happens in multiple stages to maximize yield. In the first stage, about 50 to 60% of juice is extracted. As the crushed cane progresses through each phase, pressure intensifies, drawing out an additional 15 to 20% of juice. The extracted cane juice contains various impurities, which must be filtered and treated. After filtration, the juice is passed through giant boilers with heat exchange tubes. This boiling process kills bacteria and eliminates remaining contaminants. A mud filtration step follows to remove sediments and recover more usable juice. The leftover filter cake, rich in nutrients, is often reused as organic fertilizer. Next is evaporation, a stage designed to reduce the water content in cane juice. The juice is pumped into vacuum evaporators, where low-pressure conditions cause water to evaporate, concentrating the liquid into a syrup with about 65% sugar content. Once concentrated, the thick syrup enters centrifuge machines that spin at extreme speeds. Centrifugal force separates solid sugar crystals from the leftover molasses. The crystals are collected, while the liquid molasses is drained off. Still slightly moist and clumped together, the raw sugar crystals go into a large rotary dryer. This tumbles the sugar while warm air flows through, drying the crystals and breaking them apart into free-flowing grains. The finished sugar is packaged into a range of formats to suit every need. Large sacks, 25 kg to over a ton, are used in industrial kitchens and for exports. Mid-sized bags, 1.5 kg, are ideal for households. Mini sachets are perfect for cafes, restaurants, and travel. Sugarcane sugar is among the most popular sweeteners globally, known for its pure, clean taste and rich flavor, forming the backbone of desserts, drinks, and sauces worldwide.